Hi, it's BA. Today I want to show you how I practice drawing of shadows and lights, and how lighting can completely change a draw. Let's go! First, I want to show you an application, Head Model Studio. It isn't a partnership, I just think it's a cool app. This app is paying, but they have a free version very interesting. You can manipulate a 3D head, play with position, the intensity, and the color of shadow and light. You also can change the camera, the environment, lighting, and the 3D model. For this demonstration, I use the model base. I only change the direction of the model and the light. To make this training more fun, I draw Maria Leona. You'll see how a simple changing of lighting can completely change the atmosphere of the drawing. I quickly pass on the drawing of Maria Leona because it's not the subject of the day. Once the drawing is finished, I duplicate it. I choose 6 different lightnings. On the first layer, I lower the opacity and I take black. I place the shadows. On the new layer, I repeat the same operation to accentuate the shadows. I create a last layer for the light this time, and I use a yellow-orange. You can see the before-after, just awesome. With this method, you can completely change the atmosphere of the drawing. I expect you have enjoyed this video. It was BA. Bye!